Just about every week, just about every day, there's something that's pretty cool to talk about LiveGood. Okay, this isn't a company that's been around 50 years with boring products, and you just try to convince someone to join something that's kind of boring and blah with a pay plan that sucks, with an image that's just kind of blech, like paint on a wall. Sometimes that ain't too exciting, ain't it? Okay, well, with LiveGood, kicked off about 2 years ago as an affiliate-based company. Okay, that's when I joined, March of 2023. Right now, coincidentally, it is March, but it's 2025. So in 2 years, boom, LiveGood has now grown into almost a 2 million member and affiliate-based company. 2 million people, guys, in 2 years. That's mind-blowing. Okay, almost 50 products. There's going to be hundreds and hundreds, if not 500 to 1,000 one day. Got to start somewhere, right? But I'm excited. We're in a few hundred countries. People making money, people working, people earning, people just buying the products, just like going to Walmart.com or Amazon. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate to buy LiveGood products. That's how I became kind of familiar with LiveGood. I didn't even buy LiveGood products knowing that they're an affiliate. I just wanted the products because I knew they were the cheapest and they have the best ingredients. They just do. I don't have to fake it to make it with this company. All right. If you do your research and look into our ingredients and the cost, okay, even with shipping included, you're not going to, find cheaper products. Maybe less quality, but not at the high caliber, the high quality that we have. Okay. I can afford at this point in my life, I'm very blessed, to where I can go to like a Walmart or online with a GNC or an Amazon, or maybe go to like a real fancy gym and buy really badass products that are really marked up. But I see no value in that because if I have extra money, guys, I buy Hot Wheels and Legos and things to put on my walls, as you can probably tell. Okay? Look into LiveGood just as a darn good product that makes you feel good. Diabetes, high blood pressure. Do you want to look good? Hair, skin, nails, appearance. All right? We have a lot of things that might tame your shrew. Okay? So you should look into just the products. Don't even think about the affiliate opportunity yet. Because if you really like the products and you become an affiliate for only $40, one-time fee, you don't have to buy a ton of products and qualify and do all these fancy things to earn commissions. We're a membership-based company. Okay? So relax. You don't have to buy $200 to $500 of products in order to get a $200 to $500 bonus, which breaks you even. We are not that MLM company that's based upon a 1930s template like an Amway, I guess you'd probably think of. Or maybe a Tupperware, an Avon, Herbalife, Nu Skin, oh my God, Mary Kay. I could go on and on, Home Interior. So many companies out there that force you to buy products in order to get commissions. That is not LiveGood. Like I said, you can buy the products without being a member or an affiliate. Go to livegood.com, shop away, kid. You want to save money? Do $10 a month. Be a member. What I did is I spent $10 a month to save about 40. Why not save $40 times that by 12? Then I became an affiliate. I paid the 40. I started screwing off, putting YouTube videos up and posting now and then about this opportunity on my Facebook. Okay, I don't do a lot of Instagram or TikTok, but Facebook alone has enabled me to sign up about 413 people. And I don't even have experience doing this other than the 2 years of me seeing Ready, Set, Go. And I really didn't even start until April. My 2-year anniversary of where I really started to try to kind of do this with my fingers crossed was April of 2023. So just little under 2 years, I've been able to sign up 400 plus people. I'll have 500 people by summer. Very exciting for me. Okay, and all I do is invite people to a link. I want you to copy me. If you join as an affiliate, I'm going to give you advice. That's this. Get yourself a custom domain at GoDaddy and have them forward it to your own capture page, which I'm going to show you. I bought these business cards for about $20 at Vista Print. I like the white jumping off the red. I rounded the corners for like 25 cents. I got a big old box that'll last me 1 or 2 years. But on a street level, I never talk about LiveGood. I directly send everybody to joincory.com, which is this page right here. People watch this YouTube video produced by our company. All right? It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. I've signed up 400 plus people this way. And if you want to join, put your name and email right there and hit the reserve my position. You'll get an email and put in your username, password. Go ahead and configure how you want to get paid. If you have a credit card, great. and buy some products. And if you don't like them, you have 3 months, 90 days to get your money back. Okay, so joincory.com, click it, go here, and just watch this little video. And I appreciate you watching mine right here. All right, the more you get familiar with me, the more you get familiar with our company. Realize we have meetings all the time. Today's a Wednesday. All right, we have Nader Kazan. He's going to do a nice 30-minute little sesh where he tells you how to recruit and tell people about this opportunity. Thursday, we have a big 1-hour meeting where anybody can watch, especially if you have not joined yet. All right, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, our two folks that are married, Dr. Ryan Goodkin creates all of our products, and his wife is in charge of the education, and our CEO, Ben Glinsky, is just as knowledgeable. He's a health food maniac. Okay? And then Nader is awesome. All right? Those are the Fab Four. They are the 4 people that put this little soup together. They do a big company meeting Friday, and all our meetings are always at noon Eastern, and they're recorded too. They're always on my YouTube channel, and you can go in the back office and on YouTube as well and watch. So I don't think you have to watch these Zoom meetings live, because we know that Asia, my biggest downlines in Pakistan and Asia, they're 15 hours ahead of me. Okay? So what should you do? Do your research. Go to, I guess, YouTube and Google like crazy and see what the pros and the cons are. All right? I've got about 3,700 videos that I've made just on LiveGood. I'm a big fan. I don't put all this time and energy into something that doesn't pay and doesn't benefit my health. Guys, I'm almost 60. I'm born in the 60s. I still can rock. I can kiss. Man, I can rock out all night. All right, party every day, I think. All right. I might have a Santa beer growing here that's electric white, but it's all good. But I'm taking the LiveGood products with or without the affiliate opportunity. If they wipe out the opportunity tomorrow to earn money, but they just focus on products, guys, I'm buying the products. Okay, but we have almost 2 million people signed up as members and affiliates, $15 million of products going out each month, 200 countries. Guys, this is a big success story. We got probably another 2 or 3 year period of explosive growth, especially in the countries and the areas that start with A. Africa, Asia, just kicking butt. Smaller countries like the Philippines, even South Korea is doing great. All right, Kazakhstan. I don't even know where the hell that is. I just remember that movie. Was it Borat? Okay. Of course, the UK, up in Canada's kicking butt, down in Mexico. Got a lot of friends in New Zealand and New Guinea and Australia. All right, even down in Brazil. So, worldwide success. This company ain't going anywhere except up. A lot of sales. 60,000 people right now are still signing up each month, and they can only sign up if you're an affiliate. They can only sign up under affiliates. Why not accidentally sign up somebody, who knows, from 6,000 miles away? Do a YouTube video like this. Do email, post on social media. I'll tell you everything I do. If you join my group, I send you an email of everything I do. And it's all cheap. I don't spend a lot of money on hocus pocus potions. You don't have to. Invite people to a link. Please copy what I do. Do this. Get yourself a domain, and then invite people to click your link and watch the video, and that is it. Click the link, watch this video, put your name there if you want more information or you want to join, and that's it. I'm done, okay? So, all right, guys, I'm a big fan of LiveGood. And if you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can find me on Facebook, inbox me there. And, of course, I like when you watch my videos, so subscribe, hit the little links. You guys know how to subscribe to YouTube channel. So, okay, you guys have a good day, and thanks again for your time. Okay, take care, guys.